Hello and welcome to SimplySolve's Video Resource Library. In our session today, we're going to talk about downloading and installing the LiAM application. So let's start by opening up a browser and navigating to the simplysolve.com website. Once on our website, select Free Trial, look over our requirements and disclaimer, and then start by clicking here to download the LiAM folder. We'll copy it to our desktop. So do a left click on Click Here, a left click on the LiAM folder, left click at the open prompt, and then left click and hold the mouse button down while you're dragging the LiAM folder to your desktop. Alright, let's repeat that in step 2 for the LiAM user interface. Now when you click here, it will redirect you to our resource latest release page where you can download the user interface. So let's do that. Let's click here at step 2. Then we're going to click here to download the LiAM user interface. Do a left click on the folder or the file, left click at open, left click and hold the mouse button down and drag the user interface to your desktop. Alright, once we've done that, you can go ahead and close your browser. And we're going to talk about these two files. The LiAM folder, if we go ahead and double click with the left mouse button, will show us what's in the folder. It contains a production folder, which actually has the LiAM D or database backend data. There's also a training folder. It's a companion to the production folder that contains the same files. This is used if you have new users and you want to train them on LiAM without exposing your production data. There's also a user guide and an upload template for bulk uploading data into the LiAM system. Alright, let's close that. Now, if it's just yourself and you want to demo the program, you can leave the LiAM folder here. But if you have other users who want to participate in the demo, you can store the LiAM folder in a network location. So I have a network folder here on my desktop to simulate that network environment. All I'm going to do is I'm going to drag the LiAM folder to my network. If you want other users to be able to access LiAM, they'll have to have read and write permissions into the folder that you have dragged the LiAM folder into. Alright, so once we have the LiAM folder settled in its location, we're going to double click on the LiAM user interface. When LiAM opens, you'll be presented with a welcome screen. Follow the instructions on that welcome screen to link your user interface to the LiAM backend database. So go ahead and left click on Click Here. Now we're going to navigate to our desktop and our simulated network folder to find the LiAM folder. Then we're going to open the LiAM folder and we're going to open the production folder and we're going to highlight the LiAM_D or database file. Then we're going to select Open. At this point, the LiAM user interface is connecting to the backend LiAM database. When successful, you'll see an End User License Agreement. Go ahead and select I agree, and LiAM will proceed to create your first user account. Normally, you'll authenticate through your network, and you'll be provided your network username right here, and all you have to do is select Create. But if you don't see a value here or you want to use a manual mode of login, you can change the mode to manual, then enter a password and a recovery question and answer. But since most of our users will have a network name, we're going to go back to network. Select Create. Now LiAM will open up to the home page. And as the first account holder, you will be the master administrator for the program and have access to all the features and functions. If you have additional users who want to use LiAM, they'll go to our website's latest release page and simply bring the client over to their workstation. Then they'll open it up and connect to the LiAM production database just like you did. When they do, though, they're going to have a user account in the LiAM system. So before they do that, you're going to want to come over to the administrator page, go to User, type in user, add their username, just like you did, and then assign permissions to the LiAM application. The permission codes are described here on the right. Each of these codes give you access to the various modules within the system, and they also give you the ability to edit or write into the database. So once you've added a user and a username and permissions, you can close this and return to the home page. We have excellent training videos on how to use all of the modules within the LiAM system. We encourage you to do that by selecting the video resource library right here on the home page. This concludes our session on downloading and installing the LiAM application. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to call us at 833-TRY-LiAM or go to our website onto our contact and support page and send us an email.